Someone once asked me, what is the essence of the best touring car you can get these days? I think you need to go back to the dawn of the automobile to really know how the grand touring car evolved. From the stagecoach, it was a 4-door, 4-seater or a 5-seater sedan with a soft top. It was literally touring in the grand style. That's why the word Grand Tourer or GT came into existence. It has now been almost 125 years since Mercedes-Benz began making cars. And it took them 125 years to bring the Grand Tourer to India in the literal qualitative sense. And this is a car which I'm talking to you about. The new E-Class Cabriolet from Mercedes-Benz. It's not just about the sun in your eyes and the wind in your hair. It is much more than that. It is something about motoring freedom like never before. Some soft-top Jeeps also deliver that, but this car does it even better. On the very robust, solid and brilliantly engineered E-Class platform. This is the third derivative of the E-Class for India. It has got, really speaking, the works if you are a film star or you need to be seen to be motoring. Ample bounties of nature are yours for the taking when you drive this car with the roof down. Very importantly, this is a car which has a mechanically actuated roof which just folds flat into the dicky, and even then there is enough space to just about squeeze in a golf bag with the paraphernalia to hit the golf course. It is still a car brilliantly engineered in the true Mercedes-Benz tradition. A 3.5-litre V6 pumps out ample power and torque to keep you motoring in style around about 220-230 kilometers per hour, should you really want to do it that way. With the top up, the aerodynamics are brilliant. The cabin is very quiet and very silent, and by and large, Mercedes-Benz has outfitted this car with all the safety gizmos to make the driving experience a pleasurable core. This car will be used for all the wrong reasons in this country. It is a poser's delight. As such, for the well-heeled, it will be the third or the fourth or the fifth car in the household. It will need to be a car to be seen in, and for someone to be seen in, you need to go at a very sedate pace. Actually speaking, it's the antithesis of the word Grand Tourer, because it meant touring long distances at a very good pace through the countryside. There has always been an element of wind buffeting, sometimes to the driver and sometimes to the rear passengers. Mercedes-Benz has thought of that, and for that they have developed an wind deflector known as air cap, which actuates on top of the windscreen, rises up a little bit, and what happens is at speed it deflects air away, so you don't need to get your hair in a mess. And I think it's a wonderful thing, especially for the playboy sort of character or the film star, or maybe a young upstart intent on splurging away his father's wealth. Take your pick. You just might get lucky and win the lottery yourself, and this car could do the business for you there as well.